Hi friends, and today we will show you how to reactivate your deactivated account on Instagram. So let's go to the watching. Guys, if you have deactivated your Instagram account temporarily, you can reactivate it in a really very simple way. Let's go to the Insta app. We have our second account here, but let's log in to the first one which we deactivated before. So we just need to tap on the when we are on the profile page, we need to tap on the three lines icon at the top and go to the settings. But if you will open your Insta app at the first time, you just will have the special bar where you need to tap on the add account option also. After we need to select the first option, like log into existing account, because we just need to log in our deactivated account as usual. So it looks like you have logged out from your account. Yes, so we just need to set our phone number, username or email. Later we have to tap on the second bar and set our current password to log into the deactivated account only. It's only what we need to do to open our account which was deactivated. Very simple, very easy. So let's do it. And my account was hello Reset123. And if you are interested in this process, how to deactivate the current account, you just need to watch our another video which you can find on the channel. So I hope that HardReset.Info YouTube channel will help you in this process also. My data was smoothly set before, so I have to logged into the account without any troubles and automatically, as you can check. And it's very simple to do. It's just like a login process usual. So guys, I hope that from now on you know how to manage these options. And if you want to deactivate your account again, I will I will show it for you. Deactivate account. You need to remember that you can do this process only one time a week. So guys, remember this, and from now on I hope that you know how to reactivate your user. Have a nice day, good luck!